Actress Keleigh Sperry shows she is definitely not gun-shy as she poses nearly nude on a bed. Keleigh, 29, is married to Miles Teller, 35, who stars with Tom Cruise in Top Gun: Maverick. 3. Keleigh Sperry stuns as she poses topless on a bed for a raunchy photoshootCredit, APIX Syndication. 3. Keleigh joined her husband and Tom, 59, at the film's premiere in San Diego this month. Credit, Reuters. Miles plays the son of Maverick's co-pilot Goose, who died in the 1986 blockbuster. Keleigh joined her husband and Tom, 59, at the film's premiere in San Diego this month. According to her IMDb profile, Sperry is an actress and model originally from Orange County, California. Sperry, 28, also starred in the dance film Dance and has one other acting credit to her name, OBET, The Devil's Orchard. Her Instagram feed is filled with pictures of her and Teller together on trips and typical modeling flicks of herself. Sperry has shared plenty of tributes to her husband on social media, and it's easy to see that she absolutely adores him. 8 years of being your Valentine. I love you, the one I want to go through time with, she wrote on Instagram, along with a series of photos throughout their relationship. She also shared a sweet post on their wedding anniversary. 1 year ago, till the end, she wrote. Teller proposed to Sperry in 2017, while they were on a safari in South Africa. The couple walked down the aisle in 2019, just before the COVID-19 pandemic, and the actors shared that quarantine actually helped strengthen their bond. We just hang out. She keeps me calm. It's pretty great, the Whiplash actor told Men's Health of their time together at home. I'm with her now from when I wake up to the moment I go to bed. We have a lot of friends whose relationships got put under a magnifying glass during these times, but we are really great. Once you get married and you make that ultimate commitment, life is just a lot less stressful. You just know that person is always going to be there, Teller added. 3. Keleigh and husband Miles Teller also appeared at the London premiere. Credit, AFP. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun News Desk? Email us at exclusive@thesun.co.uk or call 0207-782-4104. You can WhatsApp us on 07423-720-250. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours. Click here to get the Sun newspaper delivered for free for the next 6 weeks.